ShareTheBoard allows you to share a whiteboard, piece of paper, or any traditional writing surface online, easily and interactively. To get started, click Start Instant Meeting and give the application access to your camera. Then, point your camera at the surface you'd like to share. The app will immediately identify that surface, but you can always adjust the selection manually. Next, use the screen share feature of your favorite video conferencing app to share the tab running ShareTheBoard. This will give your remote colleagues unobstructed access to your board's contents. To give them the ability to interact with that board, invite them to your board's stream. To do that, simply copy the meeting link and paste it somewhere they can see. Here's what that stream looks like to your remote colleagues. Here, they can add content of their own, and any content they add shows up right alongside yours in real time. For questions or tips on how to get the most out of ShareTheBoard, check out our FAQ section. Happy whiteboarding!